introduction.
Hi, Tim Schneider at Caledonia Chiropractic, here with Amber and crew. This is our sequel to the prenatal chiropractic. We're going to do infant chiropractic. So I'll have you go ahead and lay on your back with crew. So mom is going to be the table. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Oh, he's such a big boy. I'm just going to take a look. Okay. I'm going to have you turn him on his side towards me. There we go. And we're just going to bring his leg up. There we go. We just use a finger contact because he's little. And we just give a little. Good. Now we'll go to the other side. You got him, Mom?
Yep.
There he goes. He's a
Oh,
big
nice
boy.
stretch.
Yeah, good stretch. He says, I just woke up. What are you doing? Good. Flat on his back, looking up at the ceiling. I'm going to take a look at his neck. Last time he didn't make a peep when we did this. Just little finger contact. Good. Good. Now I'm going to have you turn him over so he's hugging you. You got him. There we go. I wish I could wear an outfit like that. Looks comfortable. See his little thumb impulse? Oh, did you hear that one, Mom? Oh, you felt it. See, and Mom can feel it too. She can feel it through his body to her body. Okay, now I'm going to have you go ahead and seatbelt him, like a seatbelt. Got him? Here we come. Nothing to it. That's all there is to it. All right. Well, thank you.